Hello and welcome. If you have checked the exchange rate recently, you have noticed something shocking. Our Indian rupees has fallen 90 per US dollar, a fresh lifetime low. Today we are unpacking why this is happening, what driving rupees down and dollar up, and what it means for you. You must have been heard that $1 is equal to rupees 90. It's been shocking. Recently, on 3rd December 2005, rupees has fell down to rupees 90 as per US dollar. That a historic low. Over 2025, the rupees has been declined up to 5% against the dollar, making it worst possible currency of Asia in 2025. But why this is happening? Because more people want dollar and fewer want rupees. Indian import has also increasing a lot. Meanwhile, export, foreign investment and foreign money that coming to India has been declining. Less inflow of dollar means less support for the money. Some global factors are also responsible for sliding down of Indian currency. A strong dollar will draw investment toward dollar asset rather than Indian investment. This makes foreign money leave India and weaken rupees. Also, global price pressure making it import costlier. Some foreign investor also pulling out money from Indian market because Indian trade and economic condition of India seems to be risky. This reduces the demand for rupees and making the Indian currency even worse. Since India import more than export, it demand more foreign currency to meet the demand of import. This imbalance also contributing a lot making rupees weaker. Let us understand how it making everyday life very tough. Imported goods like fuel, electronics become more costlier because it take more rupee to buy dollars. Things like foreign education fees, overseas traveling cost also tend to rise due to rise in dollar and weaken the Indian rupee. Inflation in India may get a bit of push also. As long as global demand for dollars stay high, import stay heavy, foreign investment remain uncertain, and Indian deficit persists, the dollar may stay strong and rupee get pressured. So next time when you buy import good or a plan a trip, you remember that it's just not a number. It affects your price, travel cost and wallet in a real ways. As you have already seen, the rupee get weakened as per the dollar. But why this is happening? This is an alarming situation for everyone. Most of the political leaders says that it's not rupees is weakening, but the dollar is rising. As a people of India, it doesn't matter whether rupee is weakening or dollar is rising, but the matter is while traveling abroad, we have to pay less or gain more. But as the citizen of India, we have to think the foreign investment are getting cheaper, is traveling abroad getting cheaper, education in abroad is getting cheaper. If all these are getting cheaper, then we can say Indian rupee is not declining and foreign currency are increasing such as dollar.